Meet the Rimac Nevera, the world's fastest electric hypercar. This beast destroys records with a mind-blowing 1,914 horsepower. 0 to 60? Just 1.74 seconds. That's faster than an F1 car off the line. Powered by a 120 kilowatt-hour battery and quad motors, the Nevera hits a top speed of 258 miles per hour, making it the fastest electric vehicle on the planet. Inside, cutting-edge tech, luxury materials, and carbon fiber everywhere. With only 150 units ever made and a $2.2 million price tag, the Nevera is the EV king. Would you drive one? Let us know in the comments.